Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rock and G Farm, and today it is over 70 degrees on the farm with a humidity level of, I probably would say 80. It's hot and humid and we're sweating. And just a couple of days ago, it was 23 degrees at night. It's Arkansas. Of course, it's the weather all around the world. As you can see, we're going to be getting some storms coming in. But right now, I am going to go out to the front gate and plant some honeysuckle, and I will be making a grid on my fence out there, and so hopefully this summer it will be taking root really well. But let's get out there and get that done. Okay guys, I want you to look right there. That is a killdeer nest. They have been coming for the last 4 years. Oh, that mama, she is over there and she is not happy. Not happy at all. She made some noises at me screaming. But anyway, we have 4, let me get you closer. We have 4 killdeer eggs. And as you can see, let me back up a little bit. They always go into the driveway in the middle. And if you see mama right here, let me get you close. See how she's acting like she's hurt and dead? She's trying to get me over there to her and away from her nest. So that is what a killdeer does. I love my killdeers. They have been here for the last 4 years. We always let everybody know, drive on the lanes and not in the middle of the driveway so that we can save our killdeers. But I will go away because this mom is getting a little upset. And the neighbor's donkeys are wondering what we are doing. Of course, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know where the rest of them are. Oh, there's 2 right over there. And little right in there. There's about 7 out here, so they just wonder what we're doing. Okay guys, it's a little windy out here at the end of the driveway, but I was going to show you where I am putting the honeysuckle. We're going to be planting it on these cattle panels, and we will be trailing them up and just making them so beautiful, and I'm so excited to do this. I've been trying to find something for this area for, I think, as long as we've been here. So I finally decided that the honeysuckle was going to be the best thing for this area, and my mom is here going to help me try to dig in this very compact clay soil. So we'll see how it goes, but we're going to set the video camera up and just let y'all watch as we try to tackle this clay soil and get our honeysuckles planted before the storms come back in. With all of the rain we have had this week, this hard compacted clay soil was really easy to dig in, which was such a surprise. Okay, so I need some soil to go into the holes with the honeysuckle, so I am here at Harps trying to see if I can grab some good soil to put in the ground with the honeysuckles. So let me see what we've got now. Oh, there's cow manure. I can do that. I might have to go get a buggy. So let me flip you around and let you see what I'm looking at. So there's the cow manure right there. I might get one of those, but I'm trying to find some good soil. I don't want topsoil. I don't want the moisture plus. Oh, there's cow manure and compost. I'm gonna add that together. Okay, and the potting soil. I don't know about this one. I think I've gotten it before. Let me look around here some more. Oh, see, there's garden soil. I don't know anything about this company here. Let me see. Flowers and vegetables, feeds up to 6 months. I guess I could get that. That would work. Instead of that other, because that other potting soil, it is really thick, because I've gotten that before. I think I'll get some of this and some cow manure and compost. Let me go get a bag. Let's get over here. Let me get some of this soil. I'm gonna have to put y'all down because I doubt I can pick this up with one hand. Oh, nope, so sorry. I'll have to see y'all in a minute. So I've got the garden soil and the compost with cow manure, and I think I'm gonna head inside and check out because I'm ready to finish this up and finish my day. So I added bone meal and blood meal to the holes that I dug for the honeysuckle, and then I added some of the garden soil, mixed in some of the cow manure and compost, and mixed in some of the original soil in the hole. Well, guys, thank you for joining me today. Let me show you my honeysuckle that I've got around here, and I'm sorry about the wind. Like I said, we live on a hill, and it is extremely windy, and today we've got some storms coming in. Look at my hands. Yes, I got dirty today. Let me turn you around, let you show you what my honeysuckle looks like. We've got some right there. We've got 3 planted on each of the trellises or the cow panels here. So we've got another one right there. You can see it right there. I tried to incorporate some of the original soil along with the compost and the garden soil that or the potting soil that I mixed in the hole. I also added cow manure and compost and blood meal and bone meal. And then we've got another one down here, right there. And then these on this side, these are smaller, so they might take a little bit more TLC, but we've got 3 small ones in this hole here. And so hopefully they'll do okay. Then we have 2 more here, and those are kind of small, so they'll need some babying. And this one right here, this was the only hole that had like tons of rocks in it. So I'm hoping that actually I planted 4 very small ones in here. I'm hoping that those will grow. I don't know, with all the rocks in this area, it might not grow. I actually ran out of soil, so I've got some soil out of one of my buckets that was right here by the front of the gate, and just put it on top of this. I'm still going to have to, I think all of these on this side are going to have to be babied and just really watched and taken care of, because they are so much smaller than the ones on the other side. But that is my honeysuckle planting for today. And guys, as you can see, I am exhausted. My husband is still working on the chicken coop, and just look at my hair. You can tell me I'm exhausted. I worked myself today, and my muscles are going to be sorted out. But guys, oh, isn't that beautiful back there? Look at that. But guys, thanks for joining me today, and make what you have beautiful.